Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Pinnacle Ortho Center. I am Dr. Parag Lad. I am Director and Consultant Hand Surgeon at Pinnacle Ortho Center. Today, I have chosen a very different topic, and that topic is going to make us or going to give us some understanding about a role of microsurgery in our surgical practice. I am very sure that we all of us have heard the name microsurgery. Like if we go for any specialty, like apart from orthopedics, if you go for say gallbladder surgery, and some people say I need to remove my gallbladder, will you do the operation by laparoscopy or open surgery? So that laparoscopic surgery does not mean a microsurgery. Microsurgery, I am going to discuss about a surgery that is performed under microscope as shown in this picture. This is the microscope. A surgery that is performed under microscope is called microsurgery. Usually the role of microsurgery in human body, it is there for tissue transfer. Means what? If there is a loss of skin or loss of particular bone, and if we want to replace it, then we have enough extra structures in the body where we take a mass, muscle, bone along with its blood supply. We take it from the body, different part of the body, and attach it to the different part of the body, and we do the surgery under microscope. In simple language, the role of microsurgery in limb, like upper limb or lower limb, we need to understand, or we need to when do we need a microsurgery, or when do we need a microscope to perform the operation, is any structure that you are going to operate or that you are going to repair or replace or remove from the body, the size of that structure, if it is less than 2 millimeter, then we need to consider microsurgery for that particular problem. It gives excellent accuracy to perform the operation. It needs definitely special training to perform the operation, but I will discuss only 3 problems where a layman understands that we need to do the microsurgery. So as shown in this picture, that we are seeing a picture of a fingertip. So this is the finger of 1-year-old child whose finger got stuck in the door, and he had avulsion, or his nail was accidentally removed, and there was inner part of the nail, that is nail bed, it was cut in the center. Now remember, the size of the finger in a 1-year-old child is so small, in that the size of the nail bed is also very small. So if we do repair of this nail bed under a microscope as shown in the picture, then the accuracy of surgery is excellent. The healing and the future complication, they are very, very minimal, and healing is also very good. So we can consider giving a near normal nail in future if that repair of that nail injury is done under microscope. So after that, I want to discuss, so there is one more condition called nerve surgery. We all aware that we have nerves in our body, and if these nerves get injury, if they are cut accidentally either by a knife or while working in a kitchen, or as shown in this picture, the name of this condition is called brachial plexus injury, which is nothing but a bunch of nerve in our neck, and they get injured in the road traffic accident or a bike accident. So in this picture as shown in the picture, the patient is not able to lift his left upper limb completely. So it is absolutely no function in the limb. And when we do the surgery, these are small nerves in the arm that we need to fix them under the microscope as shown in the previous picture. And when we do this operation, near about in a 1 year time or 8 to 9 months time, the person regains the power of lifting heavy weights. So, and this is how initially the patient was not able to lift anything, and now patient was able to lift his left upper limb. So nerve surgeries can be done in microscope. Now another, as I mentioned, if a structure is less than 2 millimeter in size, we need to consider microsurgery or doing a surgery under microscope. This is as shown in this picture. If you see, this patient did not have anything to see from outside, but as Circle mentioned, this patient, when somebody used to hit on his nail or accidentally while using the hand, if he hits on the nail, he used to get severe pain in the finger, and when we did his MRI, if you see a lighting signal here, that means there is a tumor underneath the nail, and size of that tumor is less than 2 millimeter or rice grain. If we do this operation under microscope, now this was the removed, and if you see this bluish discoloration and if you see the nail tumor, this was the nail tumor. If such operations are performed under microscope, they give near almost 100% result. This patient's pain was relieved immediately after the surgery, and that kind of pain is a sharp shooting electric shock current like pain. If you remove the tumor under microscope or wherever you see a structure bigger than more in size, and if you remove that under microscope, they get near normal function. So that is the second indication of microsurgery. First we discussed about nerve surgery. Second we discussed about tumor less than 2 millimeter to perform microsurgery. Third important thing, that in a layman's language, we have blood vessel. The function of the blood vessel is to carry blood from heart to the limb and from limb to the heart. So arteries they carry blood from heart to finger or leg, and veins, they carry blood from hand or foot to the heart. So there is a condition called AV malformation where artery and vein, they mix to each other. So in that condition, patient sometimes gets a bluish discoloration of the finger, or sometimes they get a swelling in the palm and pain, and because of that they have inability to use the hand. Such operations, if you perform under microscope or by doing microsurgery, if you replace this blue vein, which is the mixture of artery and vein, if we replace that with the white new cable borrowed from another part of the body, our own body, which is given extra, and then they can get a normal hand function. So doing surgery on blood vessel, doing surgery on arteries and vein under microscope, also called as microsurgery. So this was the third indication for microsurgery. Another important indication, and which is very very common, and unfortunately sometimes we miss the problem. Young girl who was flying a kite, and she had such a small injury on the finger. It is a very very small injury on the finger, but many physicians or many apart from our colleagues might have suggested them that if you do the dressing, the problem will be solved. You don't need suturing or you don't need stitches for this kind of minor wound. But when the patient came to us as a hand surgeon, what I see is whether the sensation here is normal or not. If the sensation distal, sensation away from the wound, if patient says I have no sensation here, that means in this wound the nerve is damaged. And look at the size of the wound, it is a very small wound. If we don't do this operation properly, then patient will not have sensation here forever in their life. So what we do a microsurgery, and after opening a wound, if you see 2 millimeter size nerves on the finger, they were completely cut and we repaired under microscope. If you see one stitch there, and we use a glue and we repair the nerve, and patient gets almost normal function. So this injury could have been missed. So my message here is, however the small wound is, if the sensation below the wound are less or absent, we need to consult a hand surgeon to consider microsurgery to repair the nerve. So that was the fourth indication for microsurgery. And the last one but the least, do not get panic. Sorry for showing this picture, but this happens not regularly, but especially in industries where laborers work in the industries, and accidentally they cut their fingers like this. So if they bring the part properly, well in time, there is a still possibility we can reattach this finger, and by microsurgery, by repairing all the arteries, veins, nerves, tendons, and they can still get the finger back to their position. Message here I want to give, apart from microsurgery, if you happen to see such injuries where the part of the limb is completely separated from the body, how do we preserve this while getting to the hospital? So this part or this amputated finger we can keep in any carry bag, and that bag we have to keep in contact with the ice cubes. We should not keep the part directly in contact with the ice cubes. That part should be kept in the bag, and that bag has to be kept in the ice cubes, and try to reach the hospital where microsurgery facility is available. Because if that facility is not available, it is very difficult to replant or to reattach this amputated finger part. So this was my 5th indication to do the microsurgery. So today what we have learned, another injury is, I think this was the last indication. Somebody comes with the total amputation, detachment of the limb, and we could reattach it by doing microsurgery. So here I want to give you another message to all my listeners, that today the role of microsurgery in upper limb or lower limb is very, very essential. I do not want to give a message that these operations are not possible without microscope, but accuracy of the surgical technique and results are far, far better if we perform these operations under microscope. Any structure which is less than 2 mm in size, then let it be a nerve, let it be a blood vessel, artery or vein, let it be a tumor, then it has to be done under microscope to give the best result. Injuries like nerve injuries or brachial plexus injuries or total amputation, total detachment of a part of the body, if you want to reattach it back, then microsurgery is very, very essential. We are very glad to inform or to let you all know that Pinnacle Ortho Center has extremely high-end quality microscope, and we routinely perform these operations under microscope. If you happen to have any doubt regarding the injury or regarding any queries that you feel could be solved by microsurgery, please do not hesitate to contact us. Please visit www.pinnacleorthocenter.com and feel free to discuss your problem with us. Thank you very much. Thank you.